Today's health headline: the Mediterranean diet keeps topping expert rankings, and for good reason. Here's the news hook. It's not a fad. It's a pattern people actually live on around the Mediterranean. Think plants first, olive oil over butter, seafood often, and meals built around real, minimally processed foods. 5 quick facts you can use tonight. 1. What it is. Half your plate veggies and fruit, a good drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, whole grains like farro or brown rice, beans and lentils, nuts and seeds, herbs and spices, plus fish a couple times a week, poultry and yogurt in moderation, red meat and sweets occasionally. Wine is optional, not required. 1. Why it matters. Decades of research link this pattern to lower risks of heart disease and stroke, better blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. It's also associated with healthier aging and cognitive benefits. 1. No strict counting. You don't need macros or calorie spreadsheets. Focus on quality and portions. Eat until you're satisfied, not stuffed. Think slow, social meals. 1. Budget-friendly swaps. Use beans, canned tuna or salmon, frozen veggies, and whole grain pasta. Olive oil replaces pricey dressings. Flavor with garlic, lemon, oregano, and paprika instead of heavy sauces. 1. How to start in 5 days. Day 1. Oats with berries. Day 1. Chickpea salad. Day 1. Sheet pan salmon with veggies. Day 2. Greek yogurt, nuts, honey. Day 2. Lentil soup. Day 2. Whole wheat pasta, tomato, olives. Day 3. Veggie omelet. Day 3. Hummus wrap. Day 3. Chicken quinoa, roasted peppers. Day 4. Fruit plus walnuts. Day 4. Bean and veggie bowl. Day 4. Shrimp, tomatoes, spinach. Day 5. Smoothie. Day 5. Mediterranean grain salad. Day 5. Veggie stew with crusty whole grain bread. Quick plate cheat. 1 to 2 veggies, 1 to 4 whole grains, 1 to 4 lean protein, plus olive oil and herbs. Snack on fruit, nuts, or yogurt. Water first. Wine if you drink with meals and in moderation. If you want a sustainable diet that feels like normal life, this is it. Start with your next meal.